Question 1 wants to know which of the following best describes the value proposition of the AWS cloud. So we're looking to identify which answer best fits. We might have multiple okay answers, but one of them is clearly superior. We're looking for the one that articulates the value proposition. What makes AWS good? What makes it valuable? What makes it worth using? Is it because it gives us limited flexibility and scalability? Well, no, those are bad things. I don't want my scalability limited. I don't want my flexibility limited. I want lots of those things. So that's definitely a no. Does AWS offer me higher upfront infrastructure costs? Well, that's not a value proposition. That's bad news also. I don't want upfront infrastructure costs if I can avoid them. One of the big benefits of cloud technology is being able to get away from large upfront expenditures. You'll hear that described sometimes as the difference between a CapEx or capital expenditures financial model versus an operational expenditures or OpEx model, with cloud providing us an easy way to get out of the business of capital expenditures and moving into the area of operational expenditures, where what we're paying for maps very closely to what we really need to get our work done. And that sounds a lot like a pay-as-you-go pricing model. The pay-as-you-go approach says you use something for a little while and you pay for it for a little while. And if you stop using it, you don't pay for it. And then if you use it again for a little while, you pay for it for a little while. That sounds like a big benefit, particularly to organizations that are experimenting with a new technology where their hardware needs are not going to be consistent. There are a variety of other business models where having intermittent access to compute is very valuable and preferable to needing to purchase all that hardware up front. How about our final option of manual management of resources? That doesn't sound like it adds value to me. I can already do manual management of resources on premises. Again, one of the benefits of going to the cloud is that I get away from manual management of resources. I can do everything automatically. So which of these best describes the value proposition of the cloud? C, pay-as-you-go pricing model.